Hey guys, so today we're solving max pair sum in an array, which was the last Sunday's lead code question, lead code contest question. So let's read the question. You're given a zero indexed integer array nums. You have to find the maximum sum of a pair of numbers from nums such that the maximum digit in both the numbers is equal. So we're supposed to find like the maximum sum of pairs of numbers, and this pair is a valid pair if the maximum digit in both of them is equal. So let's look at the example that they've given. So here we have 51, 71, 17, 24, and 42. Yeah. So if you consider the pair of 51 and 71, the maximum digit in 51 is 5 and in 71 is 7. They're not equal, so that does not form a valid pair. If you consider 24 and 42, then the maximum digit in 24 is 4, 42 is also 4. So they make a valid pair. And their sum is 66. If you consider 71, 17, they again make a valid pair, obviously, 7, 7. And then their sum is 88, and the maximum sum that we got so far is 88. So that will be our answer. So the constraints are that the length of the array is, this array is 100. And an element in the array is always positive and can go up to 10 power 4, right? So it's simple. All we have to do is this can just be solved by brute force. It's an easy level question, of course. So you can try for all the possible pairs, and you can just do that by iterating such that you have an outer loop which goes from 0 to n is the length of the nums that they've given, and j, which goes from I plus 1 to n. So this will form all the pairs possible. And for each pair of numbers, so nums of I and nums of j, they will be the pair of numbers, right? So for each pair of numbers, we have to check if this pair is valid or not. So if it's valid, then we update our answer to the maximum of whatever the answer is. Or if their sum is maximum, then we replace that with our answer. So that's it. And we also have to return -1 if an answer like that does not exist. And so we can just initialize our answer to -1. So it's pretty simple. So if we look at the code, like I said, initializing length of nums to n, and then we're initializing answer as -1, going I goes from 0 to n, j from I plus 1 to n to form all the possible pairs. And here I have a function called max digit, which is taking a number and returning the maximum digit in that number. So all I'm doing is just going through each of the digit by converting it into a string. And I am getting the maximum digit from that. And if the maximum digit is equal, then we're updating our answer to whichever is the maximum. Finally, we just return the answer. So that's pretty simple. Thanks for watching.